This is a visual reasoning question from CSAT 2014. So we are supposed to identify in which of these answer choices do we have this figure. So now this is very simple to do. Just notice the patterns of the figure. So here I have this angle like this. So if you see, I don't have any angle here which resembles this. So this is ruled out. Here when I go, I see something here. So this is promising. Let me leave this for the moment. Again here, I have this angle here again. So this could be possible. But again, if I move here, I do not have this kind of an angle. So this is also ruled out. So moving ahead, once I reach this, I have this angle, if you see. Now in this answer choice, once you come here, this goes straight down. This doesn't go something like this. But in this case, if you see, after you come here, this line is exactly identical to this. So this is now obviously a better answer choice. Now let us confirm the remaining pattern. This line horizontal is this line, and this line is this line. So we identify the entire pattern of the question in this, and this is the answer choice. This is a question of CSAT 2014 in which I am given a matrix, and now I am asked which of these blocks fit this empty blocks of the matrix. So in this case, first of all, you have to identify, whenever you have two elements, you should look at each element and see a pattern if you can find. So in this case, if you see, I have an arrow which is pointing upwards. Now let me come to the one below. This is also pointing upwards, and in this one it is also pointing upwards. Now let me go to the second arrow. In this case, this one is pointing up. Now this one is like this. So the relation between this is that this is rotated 90 degrees clockwise, right? Now here again, if you see, I have this is again rotated 90 degree clockwise. So I do seem to have a pattern between both my elements. So here what will happen? Here if you see, again this is upwards, this is again upwards. Now my third column should also be upwards, going by this pattern. And now this is downwards. Then if I rotate it 90 degree clockwise, it should come here, which is exactly what I have here. Now I need to rotate it 90 degrees again. It will go like this. So these are the answer choice that I should have, which is given here. So this is the correct answer choice. Again, this is not the only way you can look at it. You can look at it in many ways. For instance, if you see the pattern between just these two, if this is up, this is down, this is down, this is up. So this is identically opposite of this one. Look at this again, up, down, left, right. So these are again opposite to each other. So this is both down. So this one should obviously be both up. So that is also what you could have seen. So in the matrix kind of questions, the point is that whatever relation you can see in either coming down from one row to another or going from one column to another, it will always hold for all the rows and columns. That's the whole point of it. So instead of this, I could have used any other pattern and I would still have arrived at the same answer. Okay, this is a question of CSAT 2014. I am given a matrix and I am asked which of these answer choices fits this blank column here. Okay, if I start from this and if I go from here to here, what you will see is, what I'm basically doing is I'm removing this circle here, right? That's why I'm leaving these three, and I'm adding a triangle. So I add a triangle. Now I go from here to here. Again, I'm removing this circle here, and then I'm adding another triangle. So I'm adding another triangle. So this seems to be a pattern. Let me verify for the second row also. So I need to remove one circle, removed, and add a triangle. That's exactly what I have in my second, this cell. Now again I need to remove a circle, add a triangle. This is my third. Now again here again what I have to do is remove the circle, add a triangle. I get to the second cell. From here to this again I will remove the circle, add a triangle. So my answer choice is this, and this is the correct answer choice. Again, like I told you in some other questions also which I solved, I went from here, I went like this, from this cell to the same cell to the next cell in the same row. I could have also gone column wise. So if I try seeing this, let me take another color. So in this case, what do you see? This is my initial structure. Now how do I get to this? Again, I am removing this circle here and I am removing another circle here. So from here to here, I get 3 of these circles and 1 triangle. Again, from here to here, I will remove one circle and remove another triangle. I get 2 circles. So similarly, I should try to apply this here. So I remove one circle and I remove one triangle. I get 2 circles and 2 triangles. Again, I remove one circle, I remove one triangle, I get 1 circle and 1 triangle. So similarly, here also I need to remove one circle, 1 triangle, I get 1 circle and 3 triangles. Then I remove one circle, remove one triangle, I will get 2 triangles. So like I told you in another question also, whether you go to all the matrix kind of questions, whether you go row wise or whether you go column wise, you will always arrive at the same answer. This is a question of CSAT 2014. I am given these 4 figures and I am asked which is the 5th figure. So in this, the simplest way of doing this is, you see, if I take a circle and if I have this colored like this one here, I call it a vertical split. This is a vertical split. And if I have something like this, this is a horizontal split. So if I'm clear with this, now you can see that this is vertical. Now come here, this is again vertical. It might be different orientation, but let me just for the moment do this. Then this is horizontal and this is horizontal. So it seems I am going from vertical, vertical, horizontal, horizontal, and the next will be vertical, vertical. Similarly, I need to see this. This is horizontal. Let me do it in another color. So this is horizontal. This is again horizontal. This is vertical, and this is again vertical. So it does seem to corroborate my view that this row is vertical first, vertical again, then horizontal again, horizontal again. So this should be vertical again. So I need to have a vertical kind of split for these 2 circles, and then I have horizontal, horizontal, vertical, vertical. Then I should have horizontal and horizontal. So I should have a horizontal and a horizontal here. So the only answer choice that fits in is this. So vertical and horizontal. There are various other ways of doing it. You can see whether this thing is rotated clockwise or anti-clockwise and by how many degrees it is rotated, and you will still arrive at the same answer.